Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to generate a unique or creative business name for your business. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. You can use any type of browser to have access to these particular free tools that allow you to generate free business names. So go ahead and come to the search engine right here, and then what you want to do is to make sure you visit this particular website right here, ryrobin.com. Hit enter on your keyboard, and in a few seconds it takes you to this particular web page right here. So from the home page right here, you can read some of stuff as far as this particular website is concerned. So what we want to do here is to see how we can use this website free tool to generate business name as far as this particular tutorial is concerned. For that, what you want to do is to come to the top right there, click on free tools. Having clicked on free tools, what you want to do next is to come to all free tools. Click on that, and in a few seconds it takes you to 50 plus free AI blog tools right there. So scroll down right here and then continue to scroll down and make sure you look for business name generator, or better still, you can use the tool search right here and type in business name. So just like so, you have the result right here from the search, which is business name generator. Go ahead and click on it. So it's going to take you right here, free business name generator. Get 100 plus company name ideas, no login required. Just straight to the search right here. Enter the name, your proposed name. Let's say for instance, I'm looking at Khalid Yakub. Just like so, this is my proposed name, but I found it difficult to craft a unique name for the business. What you need to do next is to go ahead and click on generate ideas. So once you click on generate ideas, in a few seconds, you see a relevant ideas for your business name. Okay. So go ahead and click on verify you are human right here. Then here you go. You have different names in tools. Like this one here, Yakub Forge, Khalid Peak, KY Nexus, Eternal Yakub, Yakub Boss, Khalid Spark, YK Horizon, Khalid Drift, and Yakub Blaze. Now, some of this name here has to do with the line of business you are trying to do. Let's say, for instance, we want this to be incorporate. So just add incorporate. And then go ahead and click on generate ideas. So that is for company, okay? So click on verify you are human. So we have different names right here as the case may be. You can see Apex Form, Quick Frame, IC, Venture Core, Post Setup, etc. Then we can come to the top again right here. We can say, let's say we want to venture into poetry business. We can write in poetry Blaze. This is our proposed name, Poetry Blaze. So we click on generate ideas. Click on verify you are human. Then here you go. You just have to make sure you scroll down and check on the result right here. So you have different results right here. But the more you scroll down, the more you see. So you can see Ember Poetry, Scotch Chick, Clock Fire, Hot Rose, Wing Inferno, etc. You can try as much as possible. Use this tool to generate different kind of creative and unique name for your business. You can go on and change name right here, change into different name, into different niche of business as the case may be. This tool here is free and it was unlimited as you might think. It's that simple. For more tutorial about free tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.